They can hear us perfect now, but they can't communicate with us.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're probably just going to go to channel 2, I'm going to guess.
Okay. Paul, you copy?
I think that's... no, that's not Paul.
Nope.
Not the multi-glam I was looking for.
Nope.
Who's that?
Nope.
That might be him.
Ollie!
Paul! That's him.
Yep.
He looked about the right height. I couldn't tell anything else.
And I knew he had a scope on his rifle, and he's got the multi-glam. So Petco, what other building?
Green building or McDonald's.
Okay, so a little bit further up that way then. All right, let's push.
I got a smoke on deck.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know if you want us to do that now. Are you going to Autumn Fog?
Yeah.
You might want to wait for that.
Yeah, all the smokes are sold out in there.
Yeah, I'd hold on to that. Okay. I'm holding on to my red one.
Well, yeah.
That they gave me.
1 week isn't enough for e-bike to get them to me.
Nope, because they have to be shipped ground. Because they're pyro.
You got dead guys.
Yep.
Back there.
Potato!
Oh, hit!
That was not friendly.
Oh!
I got you, Potato.
Carmen Goner.
Yep. Yellow building, purple trim in the window. Yellow building, purple trim in the window. If I'm them, I'm probably wanting to go to McDonald's.
Gray building! Beige building! Beige building!
Beige building? On the corner? Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Watch it, friendly crossing. Okay. Copy.
Are you good on that side? Yeah, I'm good here.
Paulie, how we looking? How we looking? I'm gonna push up to get to Mickey D's. Okay, I got you. Paul, let's get to Mickey D's. Yeah?
Huh?
Let's get to Mickey D's.
I can't hear you.
Let's get to McDonald's. Come on.
Cover me.
I'm on your 6, Todd. Wuhan, Wuhan.
What's up?
Watch Wuhan. Are they pushing green?
They're in brown building near mine shaft with the cord.
Confirmed with cord.
Confirm with cord.
All right, they are pushing this side. They are pushing south. Be advised, looks like they are trying to push the green building. I say again, they're trying to push green building with the power cord. Confirmed sighting, over. Oh yeah, they're like right there. They are in the brown building. Yeah. We got confirmed tangos with the cord right over here. They're right next to the objective building. Oh, that's not good. Let's go in here.
That was loud. Where are you?
Green or tan.
There's a couple guys.
Yeah, there's also some in the tan or in the brown building in the window behind the garden.
Yeah, I haven't seen them. I've been watching that. I don't doubt it. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I told you I took fire from it.
I'm hit. Shit.
Hurry.
Hit, hit, hit.
Todd, you in here?
No.
Oh, that's Greg. Oh, hello.
I think he got hit and he was going back.
All right, I know where they're shooting from. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on, peek that corner again, buddy.
Which corner is he on?
He's by the door. On the right side of it.
Brown building?
Yep.
Okay.
Watch the window. That's where that guy got shot from, behind the garden. Todd's down.
Shit, Todd.